London, what did Daddy do to you? What did Daddy do to you? Hey. Up. Up. Look at you, such a big girl standing up. Kind of. Up. Up. Hi, sweet face. Are you stuck? Are you stuck? That's your daddy? Yeah. Say hi, Dad. Hi. Hi, Dad.